Doha was founded in the 1820s as an offshoot of Al-Bida. It was officially declared as the country's capital in 1971, when Qatar gained independence from being a British protectorate. As the commercial capital of Qatar and one of the emergent financial centers in the Middle East, Doha is considered a beta-level global city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. Doha accommodates education, city, an area devoted to research and education, and Hamad Medical City, an administrative area of medical care. It also includes Doha Sports City, or Aspire Zone, an international sports destination that includes Khalifah International Stadium, Hamad Aquatic Center, and the Aspire Dome. Souq Waqif is a marketplace in Doha in the state of Qatar. The souk sells traditional garments, spices, handicrafts, and souvenirs. It is also home to restaurants and shisha lounges. The original building dates back to the late 19th, early 20th centuries in a traditional Qatari architectural style. It is located in the district of Al Souq, which is situated in the center of Doha, as it was a market used for trading activities. The area used to be located immediately adjoining the shore to allow for boats to access it from Doha Bay. Souq Waqif's position relative to the bay was significantly altered throughout the late 1950 seconds and early 1960 seconds due to land reclamation for the Doha Corniche, which shifted the coastline approximately 335 meters 1099 f northward. The souk was founded at least a century ago in proximity of the dry river bed known as Wadi Musheireb. It was a gathering place where Bedouins and locals would trade a variety of goods. 3 primarily livestock goods. 4, however, with the boom in prosperity in the 1990s, the souk fell into decline, and in 2003, most of it was destroyed in a fire. This event initiated a restoration program by the government in 2006, with the purpose of preserving its architectural and historical identity. The first phase of restoration was funded by the Emir Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifah Al Thani and his wife Sheikha Moza bint Nasser. The souk is considered a tourist attraction within Doha,